Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be doing a modified freight car here, and we're going to be building this specially painted KCS track geometry car. And as you can see, it's painted up in the Southern Belle paint scheme, and this is essentially a modified boxcar full of computers and equipment as well as scanners underneath to monitor the rails as it's pulled along on a train here. So let's get right into it. So as usual, we'll start off with the coupler. So take out a dark oak stair, and we're going to attach that up on the second layer. Under it, a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on the next block forward, we'll do our truck. So we're going to put a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we're going to do 2 rows of 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern in the middle, and behind it another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we're going to put a hopper on all 4 of these wheels and open 2 dark oak fence gates on the center of the truck on each side here. Next we will crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper, and then repeat on this side to a wither skeleton skull on each hopper over here. Then we're going to come in front of this with black stone brick slabs, and we're going to come on the bottom middle on the upper hitbox, like this, right in the center. And we're going to do a line of slabs down the middle, and that's going to be a total of 21 blocks long. 21 slabs. Then on the next block behind that, we'll do a set of netherite wheels on each rail behind the slabs with an end rod axle. Then again, we'll do 2 rows of 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern. And then back here, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then open 2 fence gates on the sides of the truck on each side and put a hopper on all 4 netherite wheels again. Next we will crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And then same thing on this side over here. Then at one end, we're going to skip a block behind the wheels and put 2 grindstones here and 2 on this side for the rail scanners. Now come up on the second layer on the top middle, come off this coupler at this end, and do a line of black concrete all the way down the top middle. And we're going to bring it to this end of this truck. Then on the end of it, we need a dark oak stair going this way up here for the coupler at this end, with a dark oak fence gate underneath it sideways. Then we're going to come on the side of this black concrete, and we're just going to do another full row on the side so it extends out by 1 here. And bring that to the other end of the concrete above this wheel. And then repeat on this side, start on this wheel, and do another full line of black concrete here so it ends up being 3 wide on the top middle. Then on this outer edge, we're going to put 4 dark oak trapdoors on top here, and 4 on this side. Repeat at the other end, so 4 here, and then 4 here. Then next to the trapdoors, we're going to do a full line of black stone brick top slabs all the way across the top, down to the trapdoors on this other end. And we will of course repeat over here, so a full line of black stone brick slabs all the way across the top of this side as well. Just like that. Now we're going to come on top of the end here, and we're going to do black stone brick stairs facing the end of the car, and we're going to make that 6 blocks tall, and we're going to extend it across so it's 5 wide. So a 5x6 of stairs all facing the end of the car here and right side up on all of them. Then we will repeat on the other end. So come to this end and do the same thing. And we're just going to do a 5x6 of black stone brick stairs all facing the end of the car here. Just like that. Now we're going to put 2 dark oak fence gates here and 2 on this corner. Repeat on this side, so 2 here and 2 here. Then do the other end, 2 here, 2 here, and then come to this side two here, and two here. Then on this bottom outer edge in front of these stairs, we're going to do a line of 10 black concrete coming in, 10 blocks long. And then 10 black concrete on this side. And then repeat at the other end. So 10 over here. And 10 over here. Then on all four of these inner corners, put a single red concrete on all four of these. Then we will move down and start on the end again on the next layer. And we'll put a yellow concrete, a single one in the corner on each side, then an outward facing bamboo stair on each side. Then a line of yellow across the black here, and a line of yellow across this. Then we're going to put the same thing at this end, so yellow here and here, then an outward facing bamboo stair on each side, then yellow concrete across the top of this black, and on that side. Then again, we're going to put a single red concrete on all four of these corners. Then we're going to start at this end and do a line of black concrete across the yellow to here, red concrete at all four of these corners again, and repeat it on all four sides. So just fill all these in with a single layer of black concrete on all four corners here. Then we're going to come up here, put a yellow concrete on the corners, and then one here and here on this end. Then again, put a red concrete on all four of these in the middle. Then we're going to put a bamboo stair here and here again. Repeat on this end, a stair here and a stair here. And then fill all the rest of these gaps on all four quadrants of the car, all in with yellow concrete on each of them here. Just like that. Then take smooth quartz block on this second yellow concrete over and do a line of 5 smooth quartz here and 5 here. So there's 2 empty spaces on this end. Repeat here, skip 2 and do 5 smooth quartz. Then 5 here. Then fill this gap on each side, all with red concrete. Then 2 red here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. And then fill both of these gaps with red concrete. Then on top, a full line of red concrete all the way down to this corner here. Same thing on this side, a full line of red concrete. Then come on top right here, and a full line of red concrete on this side, and on this side. Then we'll do the doors, so take black stone brick stairs. Do a column of 6 stairs facing inward here, and here. Turn around, and 6 stairs facing inward here, and here. Then we're going to turn so they're facing outward and do a column of outward facing stairs here and here. Repeat on this side, outward facing stairs in a column here and here. Then fill the middle with a column of black stone brick block. And then repeat on this side. Then we're going to take black concrete and we'll start on top in the middle here. And we're just going to go 3 wide in the middle aligned with this and fill the whole roof of the car in, all with black concrete, and bring it down to this other end here. Just like that. Now take out iron bars right here and do a column of 6 iron bars here and then 6 here. Then take a dark oak fence gate on the middle here, put one, and open one on either side. Then up here, we are going to put a single birch sign on either side here and here. And then repeat on the door of this side. So we're going to put a birch sign up here and here. Then a column of iron bars here. And a column of iron bars here. Then we're going to put a fence gate here and open one on either side of it. Then next to the iron bars right here, do a column of 6 red stained glass panes coming up, and then 6 here. And then repeat on this side, 6 red stained glass panes here, and then 6 here. Then we're going to come on bottom here, skip a block over, and we're going to put a single orange stained glass pane every other block so there's a gap of space between each one. And copy here, skip a block over, and an orange stained glass pane every other block. Then on the next side we do the same thing. So skip a block over and a single orange one every other block. And then repeat over here as well. Then on the next layer, we're going to put a single yellow stained glass pane on top of all the orange ones. Same thing here. Then on the next layer, a single black stained glass pane on top of each one. Same thing here, so we're making columns of stained glass panes that match the colors underneath. Then on the next layer, a single yellow on top of each one again. And same thing here. Then up here, we're going to put a white stained glass pane here, here, and here. And then one here, here, and here. Then go to red stained glass panes, two here, one on top of all three of these. Then one red here, here, and here. Then two red here, and two here. And we'll repeat that whole process on the other side. So on top of this, a single yellow stained glass pane on each one. Then a single black on each one, then a single yellow on each one, then a white one here, here, and here, then a red one here, here, and here, then two red here, and two here. And finally we have to do it one more time on this end, and just repeat that same process again, extending up our stained glass panes to the top, just making sure that they have the corresponding color that matches the block underneath them. Then we're actually going to knock out this block and put an upside down mangrove stair and do the same thing on this end because I forgot about it. Repeat on the other side, change this one to an upside down mangrove stair. And then one more corner to go. Same thing right here. Then we'll start detailing. So on the smooth quartz up here, we are going to put a dark oak sign up right here. And then a mangrove sign here. Then repeat it over here, so a dark oak sign and a mangrove sign, the same pattern. Then get the other side, dark oak sign here, mangrove sign here, and then one more to go, same thing, right here. Next, come down on this corner and put a mangrove sign here and here, and then on this stair, we're going to put a single dark oak sign here. Then two blackstone buttons there. And we're going to repeat on this end. So we're going to put a mangrove sign here and here, then a dark oak sign here, and then a blackstone button here and here. Then we're going to come down here and put a blackstone button here, here, and here. Then repeat on this end on this side. So a button here, here, and here. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to put a bamboo sign here, here, and right here. And then a blackstone button here and here. Then come to the other side and do the same thing. So we're going to do a bamboo sign here, here, and here. Then a blackstone button here and here. Then we're going to swing down on one end here and we are going to close a jungle trapdoor right here for the brake wheel. Then we're going to come on the top middle of these stairs, put a black stone brick slab in the middle, and we're going to do a line of slabs all the way down the top middle until it's above the stairs on this other end. Then start on this stair, and we're going to do a line of dark oak trapdoors all the way across this top outer edge, right down to this end. And then we will repeat on this side, and do a line of dark oak trapdoors all the way across this side as well here. And then finally in between here, start right here, and in this gap we'll do a full line of black carpet till right here, and then same thing on this side, start on this stair and do a full line of black carpet across this gap as well, right down to this other end here. Now the top is done as well. So there we have it, folks. We finally completed our Kansas City Southern modified track geometry boxcar. in the Southern Bell paint scheme. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.